Whenever you uninstall or remove an application from your PC, there are hidden junk files of those uninstalled or removed PC hidden somewhere on your PC, thereby occupying space on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate and clear hidden junk files on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC, even after you've removed or uninstalled the application that contain those files. Welcome guys to my video. If this is your first time on my channel, do well to subscribe to the channel, and also if you enjoyed this video at the end of the video, please support the video with a like. So let's get started. To check hidden files on your PC, first of all, press Windows plus the R key, or you can right click on your Windows icon if you are using Windows 11 and select Run. So inside the Run, you're going to type in percent wind dir percent backslash temp and click on OK. It's going to open this directory on your local disk, Windows and temporary file. This particular folder houses temporary files and folders on your Windows PC, on your Windows installation. So go ahead and select all and right click to delete. So you can select all, then press your Ctrl D to delete. So in case you see this notice file in use, go ahead and skip them, because Windows, they are currently using this file. So just do this for all current items and skip. So as you can see, this one cannot be deleted because they are currently in use, since they are temporary files. Temporary files are those files created on your system by the applications you are currently using on your PC. So close this one. Let's proceed to another method, and this method is to clear temporary files by applications installed on your PC. The one we just finished was from your Windows installation. So go to your search on either Windows 11 or Windows 10 and search for percent temp percent. So open this folder right here. So here you can see temporary files and folders on your PC. So select the files and delete. So you can see that some of these folders are currently in use. So do this for all current items and click on skip. So it will delete all the folder except the ones that your PC are currently making use of them at that particular time. So guys, this is how to clear hidden junk files on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PC. If you enjoyed the video and if the video helped you, please do well to support the video with a like, and also if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.